Welcome everyone. Today, we will learn about keys in the relational model. Let's get started. Key is an attribute or a set of attributes that uniquely identifies each record in a table. In simple words, a key helps us find a specific record quickly and accurately. Keys are important in a database because they uniquely identify each record, prevent duplicate data, establish relationships between tables, and improve data integrity. These features make data accurate, organized, and easy to manage. There are different types of keys in the relational model. The most common types are super key, candidate key, primary key, alternate key, and foreign key. Now, let's understand each key one by one with simple examples. A super key is a key or a combination of attributes that uniquely identifies each record in a table. It may contain extra attributes. Every candidate key is a super key, but not every super key is a candidate key. A candidate key is a minimal super key that uniquely identifies each record in a table. A table can have one or more candidate keys. Among them, one candidate key is selected as the primary key, and the remaining candidate keys become alternate keys. A primary key is a key that uniquely identifies each record in a table. It must contain unique values and cannot have null values. Every table should have only one primary key. An alternate key is a candidate key that is not chosen as the primary key. Although it is not the primary key, it can still uniquely identify each record in a table. A table may have multiple alternate keys depending on the number of candidate keys available. A foreign key is a key in one table that refers to the primary key of another table. It helps establish relationships between tables and maintains data integrity in the database. A composite key is formed by combining two or more attributes to uniquely identify a record. In this example, student ID and course ID together form the composite key because neither attribute alone can uniquely identify a record. Let's summarize what we have learned. We discussed the different types of keys in the relational model, including primary key, candidate key, super key, foreign key, and composite key. These keys help uniquely identify records, maintain data integrity, and establish relationships between tables. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Happy learning!